Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll show you how you can convert your profile into a business profile. Open TikTok and click on top left 3 lines. And click on Settings and Privacy. Here click on Accounts. After click on Switch to Business Account. Click Next. Select category of your business here. For example, if I make a video related to finance, then I will choose finance. From here you can also change and upload your profile picture. You can also add your bio here, so I skip it. Now here your TikTok account has been converted into a business account. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel.